Welcome to Way to Commerce. Subscribe to Way to Commerce. Today our chapter is amalgamation of companies. If we understand the concept of amalgamation, we can easily do amalgamation problems. Okay? Conceptual learning is our main objective. Learning outcomes. So in this chapter we understand about concept of amalgamation and the methods of accounting for amalgamations and the concept of transferee company and the transferor company. The next concept is calculation of purchase consideration under both the methods as per AS14. Next concept, pass the journal entries to close the books of the vendor company and pass the journal entries in the books of the purchasing company, that means transferee company, to incorporate the assets and liabilities of the vendor company and also giving effect to the other adjustments. First of all, we have to discuss about amalgamation. Okay, write in your notebook for better understanding. Amalgamation in this AS14, three types. One is amalgamation, second one absorption, third one external reconstruction. External reconstruction. So these are covered by AS14, Accounting Standard 14. So all these involve two companies. That means one is transferor company, another one is transferee company. Transferor company. Transferor company means selling company. Transferor company is the selling company. Transferee company is purchasing company. Purchasing company. First of all, we have to understand amalgamation, absorption, external reconstruction. Amalgamation. So in amalgamation, a new company is formed. A new company is formed from two or more existing companies. For example, A Limited. For example, A Limited and B Limited both are formed as C Limited. This is amalgamation. A new company is formed from two or more existing companies. Okay, this is the amalgamation. Next, absorption. In absorption, an existing company takes over the business of one or more existing companies. Okay, an existing company. For example, A Limited is there. A Limited and B Limited, C Limited also there. They are competing entities. A Limited absorbed both B Limited and C Limited, and it is the only one company, A Limited. It is absorption. To avoid the competition, A Limited absorbed B Limited and C Limited. Now only one company, that is the A Limited. So this is the absorption. Next, external reconstruction. What? External reconstruction. In external reconstruction, a newly formed company takes over the business of an existing company. So there is no existing company here. That means C Limited is a new company from A Limited. A Limited is an existing company. It is reconstructed as C Limited. That means new company. This is the external reconstruction. A Limited is an existing company. It reconstruction as C Limited. Okay. So amalgamation, absorption, external reconstruction. Minimum number of companies involved. In amalgamation, at least 3 companies. In absorption, at least 2 companies. In external reconstruction, only 2 companies. That means one is new company and another one is existing company. Only 2 companies. Number of new resultant companies. In amalgamation, only single company. In absorption, no new company because all are existing companies only. In external reconstruction, a newly formed company. A newly formed company is next objective. Objective of amalgamation is cut competition, reap the economies in large scale. Okay. Next absorption, then to cut competition, reap the economies in large scale. It is also same objective. For a external reconstruction, then to recognize the financial structure of the company. Reorganize the financial structure of the company. Examples already discussed. So these are the 3 methods. Now we discuss about problem areas. Problem areas. Amalgamation has 1. This chapter has 3 parts. That means we discuss about 3 concepts overall the chapter. One is determination of purchase consideration. Determination of purchase consideration. Second concept, accounting in the books of transferor company. In the books of transferor company. The classes are recorded in mobile phone. So conceptual learning is our main focus. Third part, accounting in the books of transferee company. Okay. The chapter has 3 parts. One is determination of purchase consideration. Second part is accounting in the books of transferor company. That means selling company. Next, accounting in the books of transferee company. That means purchase company. AS 14 covered only in the books of transferee company only. Okay. Now we discuss some more concepts about this. First, determination of purchase consideration. Purchase consideration is same for both accounting in the nature of merger and purchase. Purchase consideration calculations same for both accounting in the nature of merger and accounting in the nature of purchase. Purchase consideration is the same. Next one, accounting in the nature of accounting in the books of transfer company, that means seller company, selling company is not governed AS 14, is not governed by AS 14. Why the AS 14 not governed for selling company? Because transferor company is transferring its business to transferring company and subsequently goes into liquidation. Transferor company goes into liquidation. Its entire business transferred to transferring company. It will not prepare its financial statements after amalgamation. Transferor company will not prepare its financial statements after amalgamation. That's why AS 14 not applicable to transferor company. Okay. Next, third one, accounting in the books of transferee company. It is governed by AS 14. Governed by AS 14. So as per this, accounting is two types. Amalgamation is two types. Amalgamation in the nature of merger. Second one is amalgamation in the nature of purchase. These are two methods. Okay. Up to now, we discussed it. Once again, we understand the meaning of amalgamation and the three methods we discussed: amalgamation, absorption, and external reconstruction. And the chapter, three parts: determination of purchase consideration, accounting in the books of transferor company, and accounting in the books of transferee company. Three parts are in amalgamation chapter. Next, we discussed some points about these three parts. Now we discuss part 1.